morning children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Right, today's date children 5-12-2020 grade 5 social studies. Children, we are doing block 15. Children, in last class we have studied about how British came to India, how they ruled India. Yes, we have studied in block 10, 11, 12 and 13. Yes, we have seen this about, we have studied about how British came to India, when INC, Indian National Congress Party has formed. Then we have seen that when Mahatma Gandhi came to India and what influenced him to take part in the freedom fight. Children, now we are doing block 15, motion of the earth. What do you mean by this? Motion is nothing but moving round in its place. It is doing some work. It is called motion of the earth. Now our topic for today is S1, rotation of the earth. Rotation is nothing but taking a round. It is taking one complete round. Let me explain you now. Imagine this round is our earth, children. Now what happened? There is one line crossing from the middle of the earth. That line is little bit tilt. Tilt means cross, children. That is called axis. This line, an imaginary line which is passing through the earth and which is tilted towards 23 degrees cross it is. Okay. So what happened? This cross line, this tilt line is known as axis. This is very important, children. A tilt line is known as axis. What happened to our earth? Earth will rotate round in this axis, children. When it will rotate round, day and night is caused. For example, see here. When a globe, see children, this is our earth and this is a cross line. It is known as axis. What happened, children? It will rotate on its axis like this. Who will rotate? Our earth will rotate like this on its axis. Now what happened? How day and night are caused? The main topic is this only. How day and night are caused when earth is rotating on its axis. For example, see children. See here. Now this part of this front part, you all can see this front part of a sun, the front part of the earth is receiving sunlight. So it is day here. And what about here, children? See here, the remaining part is not receiving any sunlight. So it is night. See here, you can see here. See here it is day and back side, here it is night and here it is day like this. When it will rotate, now this part is getting night and another part is getting day. Like this, day and night are caused, children. Okay, understood? Now my dear children, see, take out your reader before starting our workbook, block 15, motion of the earth. Okay, page number 94. Our topic today is rotation of the earth, children. Page number 94, rotation of the earth. This is our S1, children. Let me show you once. See here, rotation of the earth, S1. Today I'll explain you about this much, S1. Next, see, keep your fingers where I'm reading. The earth spins on its axis from west to east. This spinning of the earth is called rotation. The axis is an imaginary line that passes through the center of the earth. From the north pole to the south pole, it is tilted at the angle of 23.5 degrees. This is known as the tilt of the earth. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation on its axis. Therefore, the rotation of the earth is also known as the daily motion of the earth. What do you mean by daily motion? Is nothing but doing its work, going round on its axis, completing day and night, children. Now take out your workbook. See children, write today's date 8-12-2020, rotation of the earth. Use the circle to draw a label diagram to show the rotation of the earth. Draw the axis. Draw arrows to show the direction of the earth's rotation. See children, you should draw like this. Tilt line. axis, arrow mark, west to east. Next one, second question. What would happen if the earth did not rotate? What would happen if the earth rotates in east to west direction instead of west to east? If the earth was not a rotating body, then only one side of the earth would have been expressing day and the other side would be experiencing night always. Children, what happen if there is no sunlight if the earth is not revolving? What will happen? One part will get sun, another part will not get sunlight. It is going round. This part one day it will get night, one day it will get morning. Next point, if the earth rotates east to west direction instead of west to east, the sun have been rising in the west and setting in the east. He is asking reverse. So you should write like this. Hope you all understood S1. Okay, complete your workbook. Thank you. Have a nice day.